Missewli parti mit-tfulija, kbirt ma' Charlie u l-karikaturi tiegħu. Hekk qalu wħud mill-Franċiżi residenti f'pajjiżna illi inġabru f'Ġiljan b'Solidarjeta mal-vittmi tal-massakru li sar fuq il-magażin Satiriku Charlie Hebdo.
Charlie, for me, for example, it's always been part of my life. I used to buy it every Wednesday, so it's like losing a part of myself, really.
Charlie it was like this great magazine.
Its cartoonists, they were very present in our life. They touch many generations.
Spjegawna l-ewwel reazzjoni tagħhom meta saru jafu b'dak li kien ġara f'pajjiżhom.
I was shocked. I didn't realize immediately what had happened. I didn't want to believe.
I was shocked, of course, because finally it's a part of the yard and the everyday life we lose a bit in France.
Basically, my parents called me to tell me about it, and then obviously turned on the TV and saw a bit what was happening. It was just the beginning of it, and it was just like a big shock.
F'Ġiljan xiren ta' persuni xelu x-xemat u żammew f'idejhom il-kartelluni bi kliem I am Charlie. Anke il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat u membri tal-Kabinett ingħaqdu f'din l-attività. Għal ftit tal-ħin kien hemm biss silenzju karatterizzat minn espressjoni ta' dieqa fuq wiċċ dawk preżenti. Dan sakemm il-folla preżenti jinfexxet f'ċabċipa bħala ringrazzjament għal dawk li mietu għal valur tal-Liberta. Stqarrew li dak li ħallew warahom il-vittmi huwa ferm aqwa minn mewthom.
You see that it's not just an attack against France or against the French press or against just Charlie. It's an attack against the whole press and the whole people.
They are the martyr and they are the fighter for the freedom of speech, you know.